Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Chittora from IIIT Kota, first year CSC branch, BTech course. And today I'll be telling you about a Arduino project that is on 7-segment display. So the materials required for this project are Arduino Uno R3, 7-segment display and two 500 ohm resistors, some connecting wires and a breadboard. So this is the Tinkercad circuit I made on the Tinkercad software. This is the software where you can make some projects before implementing that on an hardware to prevent some damages. So the application of 7 segment display are they are mostly used in electronic meters, calculators, digital clocks, odometers, and clock radios, etc. Today, the most of the 7 segment display uses the LCD panel. So now let's move on to the Tinkercad project that I made. So this is the Tinkercad project. This is the Arduino Uno board, and these are some connecting wires. I have connected each wire with different colors so that it is better visible. And these are the two resistors I connected. This is the breadboard, mini breadboard, and the wires going to the breadboard are then goes to the ground. That is important because we have to complete the circuit. So let me show the working of this project first. Let's start with the simulation. So this project displays the number 1, 2, 3 until 9 and then again goes back to 0. The duration of one number is about 1 second and then the next number comes. So now let us talk about the working. First, when we click on the start simulation, this USB gets connected into it and this Arduino board gets the power and it's switched on. Then the Arduino board gives power to each of these wires, which is connected to the 7 segment display. And then the 7 segment display will show the numbers according to the code I have written, which I'll be talking about later in this video. And then the circuit is completed as the wires are then connected via resistors uh, to the ground. So now let's us talk about the code. So I have written the proper code. I believe that one day we have to write this proper code when we are working on this hardware. So it's better to use the text rather than using the blocks that are given on the Tinkercad. But you want to use blocks, then you can. But I have written this proper code. So first I have assigned all these input pins a unsigned constant that as character which will resemble to this pin. For example, for 13th output pin, that is this one, the orange one, the orange wire that is going. So that has been given name as A, and the 12th one is given as the name of B, and respectively all has given their names till H to the sixth pin. Now I have set that the A, B, C, D until H. That is these pins will be used as the output pin. We have to tell to the Arduino that which pins will be used as the output pin. So I have to tell the Arduino that, and then I have made some functions. For example, if you want to show the 0 on the 7 segment display, so we have to first tell the Arduino that which of these inputs will be low or high. Low means the display will be the area will be glown, and the and high mean low means the area will be not glown, and high means the area will be glown. So for 0, I have written the code that A will be low, B will be high, and respectively to show the 0. Similarly, I have done for 1, 2 till the ninth number, till 9. Then that 1 second delay for that you have seen that the number stays for 1 second and then it changes. That is because I have used a loop. I have created a function of loop. So in that 0, when 0 is shown, it will stay for 1 second, 1,000 milliseconds. That is 1 second, and then it will converts in. Then it will show 1, then 2, and 3 until 9. And when it comes to 9, it again goes back to 0. These 0, that two curly brackets, two small brackets show that this 0 is that function we have created up above. This function is just called out below, and it has been set to the delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. So this is our code. Uh, as you can see, I have said that it goes to 9 and that again comes back to 0. You can verify here as now it goes to 9 and again it's come back to 0 and the loop again starts. So this is the simulation of the circuit, and what I have learned from this making of this project was I learned to code on Arduino, and I got to know the aspect of the Arduino board that I could do various projects on it and learn a lot. This also gave me the motivation to do bigger projects on Arduino and gave idea that how Arduino works. So it will push me to do various projects on Arduino board and improve my robotic skills. This project was the submission to the IT workshop one in a college. So thank you.